Hello, everyone. It's Kathy again from Golden Oldies Elder Shelter in Heberden. I'm still busy with my campaign Justice for My Family and also for my elders. As you all know, that since the beginning of November, December, I started a campaign to create awareness for cyberbullying, harassment, stalking, everything that you can name that me and my family and my elders went through these past 8 to 9 years. I took it upon myself, and I've got a gentleman by the name of Jerry Vermeulen who helped me with the legal take the legal route in bringing these people to book. Yet again, after numerous videos and so on, these people think they're above the law, and they went to the court and they've got harassment orders against me. I'm unfortunately not allowed to mention any names or anything because that is a violation of a harassment order. But they took it upon themselves to get harassment orders against me. Now I want to know, is the justice system on their side? Seeing that they've harassed me and my family for 8 to 9 years. Or do you, as my followers, think that the court should be on my side with all the proof and everything we've gone through? I'm very grateful to each and every one of my followers standing with us through this time, and to Jerry Vermeulen and his followers also standing up against cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is a crime in this in South Africa, but there is people that think that cyberbullying is not for them. They think they are above the law. They think that they can do and bring harm to people far and wide as they please. My videos is not to badmouth anyone. My videos is to create awareness to people that are constantly badmouthing, slandering, and harassing people. On this app, there's a lot of people going through the same heartache that I'm going through with my family. People that think with big accounts that think they can harass and stalk and body shame and defamate people, criminal jury, body shaming people. You know what? That is disgusting. I don't know who told you that you are on the right path. You think that you are above the law. You think that you can do whatever you want. But yet again, back at the ranch, you also have a past. You are not squeaky clean. Why don't you bring your past so that the whole TikTok family and Facebook family can see your past? Are you squeaky clean? Are you above the law? Why should people like myself and others be bullied by you on a social media platform and keep quiet? Why can't we stand up for ourselves? If we stand up for ourselves because of a small account, you get people to ban our account to shut up. I've got news for you. I won't be silenced. Even if they ban this account, I've got a backup account also. I will carry on my backup account. But I won't be shut up. And you know what? Let me tell you something. I've got a YouTube channel as well. So I'm posting my videos on YouTube as well. So even if you ban my account on TikTok, I will go and I will put my videos on YouTube and on Facebook. But the world will know about this. It can't carry on like this. Did you ever go and sit down and ask yourself, how many lives did I ruin? How many deaths do I have for people that couldn't take it, that wasn't as strong as me, that committed suicide because of you? Did you ever go and sit and think that? The fun and games of social media is gone. You can't say whatever you want and get away with it. The law is at our sides. And I will speak up for every other person on this app, on Facebook, on any other social media platform that's being bullied by people that think they are above the law, that think they know the law, but back at the ranch, they sit with skeletons high and mighty in their closets. It doesn't work that way. Somewhere the line must be drawn. Somewhere these people has to be brought to the book. Some way they have to pay for what they've done to others. It's heartbreaking to see how many people sit and cry on a social media platform for people ruining their lives. When are you going to stop? How will you feel if someone do it to you? How would you feel? How would you feel if someone ruining your life, your business, your marriage, just because you think you're above the law? It can't carry on like this. The world is there for everyone, not only for big accounts on TikTok, not only for people that think they are above the law. No one is above the law. Harassment, cyberbullying, stalking, everything is against the law. The law of South Africa states that you can't cyberbully someone. You can go to jail for that. You can go to jail for harassment. You can go to jail for stalking. It's a sick world that we're living in. What will you do if you took photos of my children and they being abducted because you post my children on social media? What are you going to do? Just come to me and say, sorry, I'm so sorry for what is happening. And I sit with the heartache. Who do you think you are? Putting people on in the same road as me and tell them to put their cameras focused on my home so that they can stalk me because you're not living here. What kind of sick games are you playing? And I've got proof of all of this. And this is going to get out in a court of law. Social media and Facebook and TikTok isn't the court. To summons people to a life and put them in a little box, to drag them out and make nothing out of them is sick. I think you must go and get this psychological evaluation because there's something wrong in your brain. Really. Please, I beg you now, stop this nonsense. Because if the next person taking me on are going to be held accountable in a court of law, and you will go to jail, and I promise you that. I'm not going to take anyone's nonsense anymore, and I'm not playing, and I think people saw that I'm not playing. I'm going to post a video of the NPA, the National Prosecuting Authority, that are busy investigating my 5 cases that I had against people that nothing happened about. I am going to post that as soon as possible so that people can see that I'm not taking nonsense. As soon as I've got enough followers on YouTube, I am going to host a live where I'm going to show all this, and I'm going to ask people to come in and help me to deal with these people. Even if I must go to the state president or to the ministers. But this is going to stop somewhere. I've had enough. Thank you for listening. Will you please repost and share my videos so it can go viral? Thank you.